Hi friends, in this video I will explain the world's first programmable digital fiber. The main objective of this digital fiber is to store and process the information in the daily dress that we wear. What a wonderful thing you see that. The dress that we are going to wear in future, it's going to store and process some of the informations. Who found this? This is basically a published work by the MIT researchers, group of MIT researchers, and it is published in Nature Communications Journal. It is called Digital Electronics in Fibers Enable Fabric Based Machine Learning Inference. The authors of this paper are Gabriel Locke, Turel Codier, Brian Wang, and many are there. So these people together they put a lot of efforts to find this new programmable digital fiber. And the what about the existing? Is it not available so far in the world? Yes, of course it is there in the world. There are some digital device. There are some fiber dresses that can process some information, but all these are analog. Analog is basically it is a continuously varying signal which cannot be processed directly, which cannot be stored directly, which cannot be used in any form in a bare condition. So, in order to overcome this group of engineers, researchers MIT, they found a new digital, programmable digital fiber. The construction, it basically, they have developed a preform. In the preform, there is a rectangular preform structure is there. In the rectangular preform structure, a tiny microchips are placed. Rectangular tiny microchips are placed in series throughout the preform. And these devices are also interconnected like a chain. It is interconnected, and and also after that only the fiber is going to be made. You can see that here in this picture, like how you see your LED strip, nowadays to light the home and to decorate the home they use LED strip where they have embedded some of the electronic components. In the same way, you can see that the electronic devices like a microchips are placed in this preform, and after that this fiber only it's going to be used for producing the fiber material totally as a cloth. And they use micro scale digital chips, then thermoplastic polycarbonate materials for making the fiber, and also by using the CNC machines they have created a minute micro pockets. In such a way there are some other additional devices like sensors and many other devices can be placed. You can see that the digital fiber here where the many devices are placed here. Some of the devices are used for storing programs, some of the devices are used for data storage, and also some of the devices are used as sensors which can use it to send some informations from the human body, and it can be used for some other purpose. And not only that, they also include an artificial intelligence in this digital fiber. So they have connected a neural network of 1650 connections in the armpit of the fiber digital fiber, so that it can continually monitor the body for 270 minutes. 270 minutes it can monitor. As it monitors, it can derive many parameters from the human body, and that could be used for several analysis and several applications. And also you can see that here the, initially the preform what they make, it is like a thin fiber it is used, where in between the ICs are used, and the ICs are in a way that can be entered through the needle. You can see that like this the fibers are used to oven a cloth. You can see that in the sleeve of the sweater the fibers are used here. and even on the cotton surface they have used this fiber. So this digital fiber, it's a wonderful thing that those researchers have found it, and many applications are there. So such applications are, within 1 meter of the fiber we can store 767 kilobits of informations. And not only that, 0.48 megabyte music piece can be written into the textile and can be stored for 2 months without any power. Nowadays the power is the biggest problem, but here their invention says that they need not to have a power for 2 months, but still it retains the informations in the memory. So they have developed a fabric which can collect informations. And also they claim that by using the artificial intelligence and the deep learning and the machine learning methodologies, they can find out new body patterns which are not yet existed so far from the human body. And also they can use this for collecting the information from the human body and alert the people about their health condition, maybe a heart rate, maybe a blood pressure, maybe after running, the athlete's health condition. Like that they can use this fabric to alert the people for about their health condition. And also their future work is to not only to just store and process the information, and also they're planning to use microcontrollers in the fabric, so that they can control the appliances also by using this wonderful digital programmable device. It's basically a digital programmable fabric, which is a wonderful innovation in the field of textile technology. Thank you for watching this video.